Okay, fine. Now, okay, let's start with the next topic, which is independent and dependent probability. We'll be doing only independent probability today. Okay, here you go. Okay, let's revise once again. Yes.
We have just done independent and dependent compound events.
Okay, you have done it in your school.
We just finished it yesterday.
Wow, what a coincidence. Okay, then you should know such questions, right? I think you'll be able to finish it quickly, right? Okay, let's have a quick revision. Okay, we did probability before. So what is probability? A chance, right?
Yes.
A measure of how likely an event is going to happen, right?
Yes.
And it is always between 0 and 1, right?
Yes.
From 0 to 1. Its value is always between 0 and 1. 0 means
that it's impossible
event. 1 means
it's certain.
What is 1? If you get 1, in what cases you get 1?
If you're like, is it spinning a die?
No. Yes, it's certain or sure event. Okay. In case of sure event,
like is it spinning a dice and you will get a number greater than 0?
Okay. Then, okay, if it is certain whether or not, yes, that's right. Okay. So, it is either going to be between, you can, give your answer in the form of fraction or in the form of decimal. Okay, so what is probability? It is a ratio of number of ways of favorable outcome divided by total number of equally likely. That's right. Favorable outcomes over possible number of outcomes. And then we have chance. Chance, 0 means 0% chance means impossible event. Sure chance, 100% chance means sure event. Okay. And in the middle we have 50% chance. It means equally likely of happening of some event. Okay. So what is the probability notation? It is PA. For example, you have some event A, right? So how will you denote it? You will denote it by PA. Okay, for example, if you say what is the probability of the occurrence of even number on a die, so you will write P for probability, and in bracket write the name of the event, even number.
Okay.
Okay, then you can solve it.
Okay.
For example, what is the probability of getting an ace? Okay, it is just a quick revision. For getting an ace, there are how many aces are there? Aces are there? 4. Okay, so the probability will be 4 out of 52, that is 1 over 13. Okay, then what is the probability of even not happening? It is 1 minus probability of PA, right?
Yes.
48 over 52. For example, not a king. Okay, so king are 4. So we minus the probability of king. 1 minus probability of getting king. Okay. So we get 48 over 52, which is equal to it is divisible by 4. Okay. So you get 12 over 13. Yes. Now we'll be quickly doing independent and dependent events. What are independent events?
There are 2 events. There are 2 events or more that don't, when you do them, they don't affect each other's outcomes.
That's right. An independent event, they affect each other.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's have an example. For example, there is an urn. You know what is an urn?
No.
Urn means a bag kind of thing. Okay. It contains 3 orange, okay, 2 pink, and 5 blue balls. Okay. So if you draw one ball out of it randomly, and first ball is 50, so what is the blue, sorry, so what will be its probability? 5 over 10, right? That is half. Now you draw another ball. Okay, So it depends. Okay, if you have okay, yes, it is not independent because you have not replaced it. If you have replaced the first ball, then
Then
it
it
will
would
be
be independent.
That's right. But here you have not replaced it. That's why it is not independent. It is dependent. Okay. First of all, we'll see how we are going to solve the questions based on independent events. Okay. In that case, probability of A and B happening. There are two events A and B. In that case, how will you solve? You just multiply the probability of occurrence of A and probability of occurrence of B. Right? Okay. Here we have an example. Okay, a dice and a coin are thrown. What is the probability of tail at 6? So, what is the probability of tail? Tail is 1 out of 2? Yes, because on a coin you can have only head or tail. Okay? And on the coin you should have 6. The probability 1 over 6 because on the face of a coin you can have only one chance of getting out of 6. Okay, so multiply half with 1 by 6 and you get 1 over 12. That's right. Okay, now the questions for you, Manu. Okay, a dice and a coin are thrown. What is the probability of head and prime number? See, these are independent of each other. There is no relationship between the coin and die. Okay, so you can solve it. Okay, what will be the probability of head and the prime number?
Okay.
Yes. Good. Okay. Good. Prime number. Okay. Good. That's okay. Prime number. How many prime numbers are there? 3. Wow. That's good. Very nice.